So it's covered in tape. It's hella ghetto. But if you can find a piece of metal to fold over the top, and then gauge the very tedious amount of wire that you're about to go for. And what I did first was I super glued it, and then I taped it. So that's all it's really hooked in there. And then see if I can't show you. This is for the hella tedious wire. Not a lot of people want to fuck with, but if you got time, like I'm just chilling, watching this creepy ass movie, and I guess I should have started timing it, but I time it after. See what it ends up on. But I'll do that, and then let me see here. 1 second. And then, like I said, it is tedious, but if you're the type of person who's got the time, it's just easy. Just make it out of a razor blade. That should help you locate the split. God damn it. Usually it's not this hard to get started. God damn. There it is, it found it. It took for a minute. Piss me off. I haven't had one give me such a hard time yet, but it's bound to happen. But then if you're steady and you get a feel for it, you can kind of gauge how hard you should be pulling before you rip the rubber and use the cut that we made with our hella cheap razor. And I mean, after a long time, that'll add up. Like I said, it's nothing right now. But if you're the type to just kick back and do this sort of thing, you can get it done in a long amount of time, but relatively easier than usual. For me it is. You get a lot more after I have a large, very large thing. It'll give me like $10 or so. A bucket full, I guess. So, got a grip. So it's relatively easy, just super glue it first, gauge it, and then tape the hell out of it, and wear gloves when you use it. Probably file down the ends, or whatever, break them off, I don't know. It's just a razor blade. But yeah, like the top of, or not the top, but the back of a pen thing might work if it's super strong. This is like a, I'm not even sure what this is. It was one of those buttons for the placement, like a crutch would have, but this is off a scooter. Anyways, yep, super cheap, super easy, super tedious, but if you're gonna do it anyways, this is the easy way.